Welcome back to English Stories with Emma and Alex. Today, our favorite characters are going to a big concert in the city center. Their favorite music band is playing tonight, and they have very expensive tickets. They need to leave the house early because the traffic is always terrible on Friday evenings. But leaving the house can sometimes be a big problem when you lose something important. Let's see how they manage their situation today. Before we start the story, I have a small question for you. Please listen very carefully to find the answer. Where did Emma accidentally leave the apartment keys? The answer will be mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write it in the comments section at the end of the video. Writing in English helps you learn much faster. All right, relax, get comfortable, and let's begin.
Alex, hurry up, please. Stop looking in the mirror. It is already 6 p.m. The concert starts in exactly 1 hour. The stadium is very far away, and we absolutely need to catch the next bus.
I am ready, Emma. Relax. Look at me. I have my favorite jacket on, my shoes are tied, and I am very excited to see the band tonight. I am standing by the door. Let's go.
Great. I am excited too. Lock the door, please. The keys are right there, on the small shelf near the mirror. I always put them there so we don't lose them.
Emma? Let me see. No, they are not here. The shelf is completely empty. There is only a small flower vase here.
What do you mean they're not there? Look carefully under the vase, Alex. I am 100% sure I put them there this morning when I came back from work.
I am looking carefully, Emma. I moved the vase. I moved the decorative stones. Nothing. No keys. Are you sure you put them here?
Oh no, Alex, please don't tell me you took them to look at something and lost them again. Remember last month when you lost your wallet for 2 whole hours?
Hey, why is it always my fault? I didn't even touch the keys today. I was working on my computer all morning. But okay, let's not argue. We are losing time. Let's check the living room. Look under the sofa cushions.
Let me check. No, there are only some old magazines, a TV remote, and a lot of dust, but no keys. This is terrible.
Let me check the coffee table. I'm lifting the laptop, looking under the notebooks. Nothing here either. Emma, the bus leaves in exactly 10 minutes. If we miss it, we will have to wait for 30 minutes for the next one.
This cannot be happening. Think, Alex, think. Did you go out to throw away the rubbish? Did you have the keys in your hands?
No, Emma. I told you, I stayed inside all day. You were the last person who came into the flat this morning.
Okay, let me think. Maybe I went to the kitchen first to drink some cold water? Now let me check the fridge. Let's see. Milk, eggs, cheese, apples. No keys.
Emma, are you serious right now? Why on earth are you looking inside the kitchen fridge? Who puts apartment keys in the fridge next to the milk? Check your own pockets.
I am checking. My dress pockets are completely empty. I only have my mobile phone and my lip balm in my jacket. This is a complete disaster.
Stay calm. Let me check your other jackets in the wardrobe. Maybe you wore a different one this morning. Let's see. Yellow raincoat, empty. Black coat, empty. Your favorite beige cardigan, empty. Wow, this is unbelievable. They disappeared.
I want to cry. If we miss this bus, we will miss the beginning of the concert. I bought these tickets 3 months ago, Alex. It was my biggest dream to see this music band live. I am so sorry. I ruined our evening.
Hey, don't cry, Emma. It's okay. We still have a little bit of time. Let's think together slowly. What exactly did you do when you opened the door this morning?
Well, I unlocked the door, I walked inside, I was talking on the phone with my mother, and I was also carrying a big umbrella because it was raining heavily.
Wait a minute. You were talking on the phone, holding a big wet umbrella, and trying to take off your shoes at the same time?
Yes, I was very busy. Why do you ask?
Oh, Emma, you won't believe this. Come here and look at the front door.
Oh my God, are you serious right now? The keys are sticking out of the door lock from the inside. I left them in the door this morning.
Well, look who is talking. And who was blaming me for losing them? Who was talking about my lost wallet?
Okay, you win. You were completely right and I was wrong. I am so sorry.
All right, don't worry about it. Take the keys, lock the door properly from the outside, and let's run. We have exactly 2 minutes to catch the bus. Hurry up!
What a relief! Emma and Alex solved the problem and found the keys just in time. Now they are running to the bus stop and they will definitely enjoy their favorite music concert tonight. Now, let's see if you listened carefully to the story. Here is the question from the beginning one more time. Where did Emma accidentally leave the apartment keys? Did you find the answer? If you did, please type your answer in the comments section below this video. Even a very short and simple sentence is perfect. Practicing your English writing like this is the best way to build your confidence. If you enjoyed looking for the keys with Emma and Alex today, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and create more stories for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.